Hi again, it's Tara. This time I'm going to be bringing you some exotic animals. So these are the kind of animals that you typically don't see in your backyard unless you live in the jungle or the Arctic. So hopefully these will be fun and different for you. So I've got 3 to start. Let's see what they are.
Our first exotic animal is the lion. We're going to start with the nose. So we're going to make one long triangle. And another smaller triangle at the bottom. Okay, so we've got our nose. Now we'll add some cheeks. So line straight down, and then we'll curve around on one side, and same starting with the corner of the nose all the way back around to that middle line again. Now I'll add a little chin and a couple triangles for some teeth. Throw a few whiskers in there. Now up high, I'll put one oval and another oval on the other side for the eyes. Then starting at the top of the triangle, curve down to meet the cheek. And again on the other side. Now a half circle for one ear, and on the other side, another half circle. And a little extra one in both of those. Some eyebrows. And now we'll add a big fuzzy mane. So lots of triangles coming out. And you can make these kind of different sizes. So it's big kind of zigzag all the way around. And last one. There we have our lion. Okay, so next one, the penguin. So we got a big half circle, or really a half oval. We'll draw a straight line at the bottom. Then another big half oval for the belly. We'll make a triangle for the beak. So we'll make an arrow and then a curve at the top. So a rounded triangle. Right above that, we'll put 2 little eyes, just 2 little circles. Then we'll make some wings. So start around the middle, draw a line straight out, and then come back in. Same on the other side. So straight out and then a line back into the body. So we've got some little triangle wings. Now we'll add a few little triangles at the bottom too for our feet. There's 1 foot, and we'll draw another 3 triangles for the second foot. There's our penguin. Now on to the third exotic animal. This time we're going to make a tiger. So we're going to start with a big circle for the head. Then kind of around the center, maybe a little lower down, we're going to draw a little straight line to begin with and an arrow. So we're making an upside down triangle for the nose. Then we'll draw a line straight up to a point, make another long triangle like we did with our lion. And this time we're going to make it a little different. So we're going to put 2 big curves on either side, kind of like big eyebrows that are attached to the nose. 2 circles, not far apart. Then we'll draw a line down, and out. We'll curve it out. And we'll make these cheeks a little bit more rounded. So right now, the way we did it this time is we're connecting those curved lines with our big circle for the head already. Then I'll add some whiskers, a couple triangles for some teeth. We've already have our chin in there. Now some little round ears, right? So half circle, another half circle inside of that. We've got our ears. And what makes a tiger look different? Some stripes. So we'll do some simple triangles on the side of the face. So come into a point, and again, these can be different sizes. At the top of the head too. And there's our tiger.